Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth.
And Shyla.
We're both aromatherapists and we help plan our monthly essential oil recipe box. We love using essential oils to make our home more natural, and this month we are using it to make our skin look amazing. And this recipe is step 2 of 6 steps, and this recipe is super easy. All you need is rosemary essential oil, which comes in our monthly box, and some hot water and towels. So to make this recipe, all we're gonna do is add 1 drop of rosemary to this bowl of hot water.
Just one?
Yep, just 1.
All right.
That's all you need.
Okay, 1 it is.
And the steam is gonna open up our pores, and the rosemary is gonna help clean them, so that we're getting. So with step 1, we've cleaned our skin, exfoliated, getting dead stuff off. And this time we're going into the pores and digging deep to get a really good clean.
So will this help all my blackheads on my face?
Yes.
Sweet.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these towels over our heads.
Are we gonna go both at once, or both together?
Yeah.
All right.
Sharing is caring.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, tent it. Wow. I can really breathe really nicely under here.
Yeah.
That's it? That's it?
Yep.
That's all the time we got?
So you'll want to stay in your tent for like 5 to 10 minutes. If the water's too hot or the steam is too strong, let it cool down a little bit, or don't use the tent. The tent just helps lock in that steam, but you can just hang out over it as well, and that works. Don't forget that rosemary essential oil comes in your essential oil recipe box, along with 3 other great oils that are really great for your skin.
So this month we did a all-natural skincare routine for the box, and this is just really exciting because if you go to the spa, you spend an arm and a leg getting a facial and just going to the big steam room saunas, and you can get all of that for $39 this month.
So subscribe today to get 6 recipes to make your home more natural.
See you later.